In this video, I'm going to talk about the stock market today and 3 opportunities that I see coming up. So before we go any further, if you don't know who I am, my name is James Mason. I am with Transparent Traders, the Facebook group. So if you're looking for a community that is serious about teaching you how to trade for absolutely free, look us up. Also, I have that free course up in the playlist section. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button to continue to receive content like this and anything we decide to do in the future. So let's get into it. So for this first ticker, this is ticker HSY. So here's the 1 year, 1 day chart. And as you can see, uptrend pattern. Well, let's zoom in a little closer right here. So with this ticker, great earnings. They had a complete reversal right here on the MACD. RSI is a little overextended. Let me adjust this real quick for you. There we go. So you can see it better now. So complete reversal MACD, and RSI is overextended. You see this gap up right here, and it went up, hit its new high, and pulled back. So what I would look for tomorrow on April 26th. Tomorrow, I would look for this thing on the daily chart to start pulling back and possibly consolidate over the next few days before it starts to make a climb again. Now keep in mind, Amazon just released their earnings today and they were pretty great. So when the market opens tomorrow, it could act as an influencer and take these tickers and just, make them bullish out the gates. So just watch that, pay attention to your trades, and and have that plan in place. But from what I see happening, because this one is overextended on the daily chart, again, I see it having a couple red days, and then taking a little dip to kind of consolidate before it makes its next run up. So this is ticker HSY. Next one, ticker XLNX. So here we go. You can see this upward trending pattern. You see this gap down right here, massive gap down. And then, today it just ran completely down, had a loss for, a total of minus $23.86. Whatever happened in the earnings, you can check out that news later, but complete reversal on this MACD going down. RSI crashing into the ground. Now, overall, I am bearish on this, but with such a significant gap down, what I would look for, starting tomorrow, I would look for this to actually kind of open up and at some point in the beginning part of the day to actually go green. And it wouldn't surprise me if this thing doesn't, run up green somewhat, and then it could pull back and then go red, but I'd expect it to run up green, and it's possible that it could post somewhat of a green day. Maybe 2 green days. I'm speculating right now, but this is just kind of how these things flow. But kind of come up a little bit before it actually makes another low. So that's what I would be looking for right here in ticker XLNX. For the final ticker, this is 3M. Pretty much just trades sideways the entire year. But here you see this again. It goes from its annual high to just a complete drop in the market and then runs down. Lost a total of $28.36. So complete reversal, MACD. Just a massive red candlestick. RSI. It literally went from almost overextended to here it is right here at 25 under RSI. So just such a significant drop in this ticker that tomorrow and maybe the next few days, especially with those Amazon earnings, I can see this honestly going up green a couple days before it decides to come back down some. So I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I hope these are helping you guys out. These things are playing out, overall, as far as I know, looking back at it. There was one that kind of released some news after hours, way after I made the video, but it kind of altered it the way I was speculating at the time, but I was going off of the news that I had at that moment. But overall, everything I've been calling out has been playing out that way. You just got to give it time. So I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.